Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Uslay Queen.
Ndiyaphila ngibingelele nonke South Africa yonke. Ngithi ngibongela amabhakaniya. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi samabhakaniya. Yebo. Akekho sazosivimba manje njengoba siyoloda ezikhaphi yesibili okukhombisayo this season. And upelepele siwufakile. Sithatha ikhishi laseNdiya ke liphethwe yithini. Siliphethe abafana abafaka upelepele. Baba ngisho nje ngisho kwasala ayikho into engababa. Siyakhruza nje manje siyoloda nje igame yokugcina. Welcome amabhakaniya. Iqhubeke futhi nikwenza lokwenza siyabonga amabhakaniya.
Man of the match uba.
Man of the match bengamnika uApolice. Kodwa ezibonke badlale kamnandi bonke akekho ongadlalanga kahle kodwa ezingahambe bengamnika uApolice bekudeserve by man of the match uyadeserve by man of the match
iPirates izoyithatha na ikhandi Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?